Introducing Benro's ArcaSmart Kickstand phone clamp. A uniquely designed multi-purpose phone holder, ideal for photography, cinematography, content creation, virtual meetings, and more. The clamp can easily be mounted to a tripod or livestream stand and more. With its kickstand design, it can be placed on a tabletop for a quick and easy setup. The built-in QR plate includes a 3/8, 16, and 3/4 20-inch screw holes for additional mounting capabilities. Using a locking knob, you can adjust your phone's angle easily. The phone clip rotates 90 degrees to make that quick switch when going from horizontal to vertical. Its foldable design makes it perfect for storing in your bag or in your pocket. The phone clip has 2 built-in cold shoe mounts for attaching microphones or accessories. And with the 1/4 20 threaded accessory mounting holes, you can add even more into the mix. Whatever your setup may be, the Benro ArcaSmart Kickstand phone clamp is a unique, versatile tool that every creator can benefit from.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more product videos, tips and tricks, service videos, influencer content, you name it, subscribe to our YouTube page.